Look what I'm up to. I'm collecting kangaroo dung for the garden. We've got a whole bucket full, or a bit so far. Look at that. Can you see that? Is it in focus? I'm planting trees. It's winter time, and now that it's raining a little bit, I thought I'd plant some trees. Sorry about the wind, but I need some manure. And who wants to buy manure when there's kangaroo droppings everywhere? So that will make a good fertilizer, won't it? This is just an old spoon for my cooking. And this is a bucket that got blown into our property the other day. So, picking up kangaroo manure for the garden. I think the shop should sell kangaroo manure, and they should sell emu manure and possum manure and wombat manure, shouldn't they? They should. A lot of people would like that. If they like bush tucker, they'd probably like kangaroo manure and emu manure. I'm going to put it all around this tree I'm planting. Save me some pocket money, won't it? Look at that. Wallaby, I think. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert. See, I'm planting a tree. I'm planting a tree. Just there is where I'm going to plant it. And there it is. There's the watering can. The ground's wet enough at the moment to plant something, so I thought I'd take the opportunity. It's a sort of prunus that grows wild around these places, but it's extremely drought resistant. So I'm going to plant it on our property so that we have beautiful flowers. And I've got all this manure now. That should be enough. I don't know if it will burn, but I'll just put it on the surface around the plant so it can decompose without burning the plant. Look at that. Good kangaroo manure, good Australian gardener's fertilizer. Look at that. Very useful. Come on. Become part of the garden. Become part of the beautiful trees. What do they say about planting a $2 tree in a $1 hole? No, plant a $1 tree in a $2 hole. That's what they say, isn't it? That's what they say. Plant a $1 tree in a $2 hole. Oh, that's what they say. More beauty makes me happy because I love parrots. Oh. Let's put a bit of wallaby manure in here, wallaby droppings in, and just rake it in nicely. We'll put a bit on the surface as well. Not enough to burn or anything. Some of it's been lying in the sun for a while, so it could be a bit decomposed. More trees mean more parrots. You get the general picture. You get the general picture. I better finish off the details now. Bye.